Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's CPD session on how to create a YouTube channel and a YouTube video. No, exciting. So we're going to do this in 8 easy steps, so just bear with me while we go through this. So step 1. The easiest way to sign up is with a Google account. If you don't have a Google account, then that is absolutely fine because you can also use your school email address. It's just slightly longer. So use this link and it will take you to signing up without a Google account page. It will ask you to verify your email address by putting in a code and your phone number by giving you a code for security reasons. After this, it will ask for your date of birth and your gender as well. I don't know why it asks for that, but hey ho. So those 4 things will then lead you to your registration being complete. This is what my page looks like. I made one with my school email address, so this is immediately what came up as soon as my registration was complete. So next you then need to click the 9 dots in the top right hand corner and then click YouTube from there. So as you can see, we're now on YouTube. So to get to your channel, you need to click your profile picture in the top right hand corner. This is probably going to be your initials. Not this profile picture, by the way, in the top right hand corner, but this one here, still on the YouTube page. And then you can click your channel. So step 4, we're now on your channel, which is really fun. This is my one. I've been doing it since the last lockdown, so I've got quite a few videos on there now. But yours will be empty at the moment, which is fine. And now we can start creating videos now that we've got our own channel. So here's the fun part. So open up a PowerPoint or a Word document or any app your lesson is on. I personally use PowerPoint because I just find it quite user friendly and all my lessons are on there anyway. And so that's step 5. And then step 6 is for you to screen record. So this is when it gets a bit more tricky. So just play around with it to begin with. Don't just jump in and try and do a whole lesson on the first take, because it will probably go wrong like it did for me several times before I, got to grips with it all. So if you have a Windows laptop, you have to click Windows Alt and then R to begin screen recording. My friend has a Lenovo laptop and she has to use Windows Alt G. So it will either be R or G to begin recording. If you have a MacBook, you need to press Shift Command and then the number 5. And then that will take you to the screen recording options at the bottom of the screen. As you can see here, there's a timer. This microphone, you need to click so that it doesn't have a line going through it. A mistake that I made actually not too long ago. And I did a whole lesson. It was great. And then I realised there was no sound to it because I didn't turn the microphone on. So yeah, just a heads up. So once you see the timer begin, you can then move through your PowerPoint whilst talking over the top of it. My best lessons that I've found is when I've kind of scripted it. Otherwise, there's a lot of ums and ahs and likes and tripping over words and things like that. So it just kind of calms me down if I've got a script in front of me or just a few bullet points. So usually for my lessons, I talk more than I write. So I ask the students to make notes on the background and context of the poem as I talk. So this makes it more like a lecture or university experience. I like this because it means less typing for me and more practice and independent learning for them. If they're going off to college or want to do A-levels and things like that. So it just makes them less dependent, really. I've found anyway. So another important thing is don't forget to click the stop button when your lesson is over. Personally, I can get a bit flustered on my videos and end up not pressing the stop button, and then you think everything's fine, and then suddenly you've been recording for an hour. So yeah, that's another tip from me. You will then see your video saved to the My Videos folder if you're at school, or if you're using a Mac, mine saves to desktop. So this is what it should come up with as soon as you press the stop button. And then you'll find it in Documents, Videos, Captures, and that's where your video will be. So this is the exciting part. You now need to upload it to YouTube. So this is actually really, really easy to do. You click this video camera in the top right hand corner, which says create. So you click that and it takes you straight to this page to upload your video. You then need to drag and drop the video into this page, and that's literally it. And another way you can do it is obviously, you know, select files and go through your documents, but you should already have it up from when the video saved, so it's just easier to drag and drop, I find. This can take quite a while to upload depending on how long your video is. So the other day I did a 15-minute video and it took about half an hour to upload fully. So yeah, just leave some time for it to upload and do its thing. Yeah, what else was I going to say? Yeah, no, that's fine. Step 8. So this is our final step. So I usually schedule my videos to go live on the day my students have the lesson, although you can publish it beforehand if you like. Remember to make the video public and not private, otherwise it will only be you who can see it. And as your video is uploading, it will come up with this screen. Now you can give it a title, you can put a description there, you can say whether it's appropriate for kids or not, and then you can save it, publish it, or schedule it. So I schedule it for the day the lesson is. So let's say January 29, 2021 at 9 a.m. That's when my kids had a lesson, so I scheduled it for then. And then you just click schedule and then it will just do it automatically. It's great. And that is about it, I think. Yeah, thank you so much for listening. I really appreciate it. And if you have any other questions whatsoever, I know that these things can be very laptop specific, then please just email me and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And yeah, I hope you have a great rest of your day.